Do you know Annual Pass? Perfect for all flexible travelers looking to live a year full of experiences, working from the beach, visiting relatives more than once, or simply discovering and exploring new places. It's very simple. 1. Go to annualpass.volaris.com and log in. 2. Check the routes in our guide. It is updated every 24 hours in the morning so you can see availability for the entire day. The earlier you search, the more seats you will find. 3. Select your next destination. Remember, the cost you see here is the airport use fee and taxes. 4. Book your direct flight 24 hours before the departure for domestic flights and up to 3 days in advance for international destinations. 5. Only pay the airport use fee and taxes on your zero-fare flight. Rates depend on the airport. Remember, on the confirmation page, click at Go to My Trips to check in and add whatever you need for your trip. Choose a seat, add extra baggage, and other services. Congratulations! You just got your ticket for your next flight. See you on board!